I am here in my store, my small store, selling candies and toys like Pogs. And my friend here is playing spider. Where is spider? Show your spider. That is a spider, Philippine spider. And this is my store. I have only a small store here, and there is a small car toys, small car, and other. That is my store, and the people around here is Filipino people going to walking around the street, walking around the street, and the old lady is my friend. Yeah, don't open the spider, huh? Don't open. You watch only. And this is also my friend here in his store. He is sleeping. Oh my darling, she is sleeping inside the store. This is here. Green Revolution Street, Las Piñas City, Philippines. Oh, my friend. And my store is over there, over here. And that boy is my friend. He is going to buy a spider and buy a candy. I'm always here every day. I always here every day to open my small store here. This is very small. I rent this store 2,000 pesos a month. 2,000 pesos a month. That is my life every day. And my neighbor store is going to selling cloth, dress, and the owner is my old friend, a lady old friend. Yeah. And many people going to walking here, walking in the street. I love the people in Brazil. Thank you very much, the people in Brazil, Mexico, Malaysia, Russia. Thank you very much, and India. Thank you very much to all of you for supporting my channel, my small channel, my little channel. Thank you very much. And also to all my friends in Malaysia and Korea. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Ano sa'yo, boy? Gagamba. Meron. Isampo.
Wala po kami pera.
Ha?
Patingin niya yan.
Thank you very much to all of you. Bye-bye. And God bless you all.